Welcome to Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues here. We got B. Gonna come out. She came up. We tested it out last night. Pepperoni. What else? Pepperoni. What else?
Pepperoni sausage.
Pepperoni sausage.
Mozz.
Fresh Mozz. Calzone. Oh boy, I'm on that keto diet, but I can get one little bite. Okay, B?
All right. So I'm just going to take one of our small pizza doughs and stretch it out, but not all the way. Oh, sorry. Gotta put it on this side. All right, we're going to go with a little bit of sauce. Some Parm cheese. Some pepperoni. Alright, now we're going to close her up. I go from corner to corner and I just pinch together and kind of roll a little bit. Almost like you're doing like a pie crust to make it stay. And I just go back and forth to make sure that I got it all sealed, because the last thing you want is this thing popping open on you. And I'm going to cut just some air pockets. Come on. In she goes. About 5 minutes and you'll see how good she looks.
Time.
Alright, here she is. Look at that. Cut it right down in the center.
Hey, brother. Good, man. Oh, beautiful.
Look at that.
Woo! Oh, yeah, B.
Get the other side too.
Ah.
And I hit the top with our garlic butter.
Right here?
Yep.
So
Lalo, you want to try this?
So I have a title to right here, B.
That's it.
That garlic butter on top really makes a difference. One more. One more sliver. That Orsini's triple hot sausage is what makes it.
Yep.
You think I'm lying? Try some for yourself. Call Paul or Glenn, Orsini Sausage Company. It's Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues, B. Knocked it out the park.
Just love doing what I do.
Yep, working that wood oven like an OG.